This is going to be a video tutorial on how to disable website images in the Firefox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Firefox web browser opened up now. To disable website images, one reason that you might want to do that is if your internet provider has a data cap. To disable them, you want to go up to the top up here, up to the address bar. You want to put your mouse cursor in there and you want to type about:config. Then hit enter. A warning screen will pop up telling you to proceed with caution. You want to click on the blue button that says accept risk and continue. Then up top here you have a little search bar up here. You want to put permissions.default.image into that search bar. And the very top thing here, permissions.default.image. If you look off to the middle, it has a 1 here. You can put 3 different values in here. A 1 equals always show website images. A 2 is never show images. And a 3 is don't load third-party images. To change this value, you want to go off to the far right to the little pencil icon. Click on the pencil. Now I can change this 1 to a 2 if I don't want the website images to be displayed. And then you want to go off to the right and click on the little checkbox. That is how to disable website images on the Firefox web browser. Thanks for watching.